Today, I'll show you how to delete a Supabase project. Whether you're looking to clean up your workspace or simply remove a project that you no longer need, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's straightforward and shouldn't take much time, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go to the Supabase website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to supabase.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, just log in using your credentials to proceed. Once logged in, the next step is to navigate to your projects. On the dashboard, you'll find a section labeled Projects. Click on it to see a list of all the projects you've created or have access to. This is where you can manage and organize your projects, and in this case, where we'll find the one you want to delete. After clicking on Projects, you'll need to access the settings for the specific project you want to delete. Look to the bottom left of your screen, and you'll see an option labeled Project Settings. Click on it, and it will take you to a page dedicated to managing various settings of your selected project. Now, on the Project Settings page, you'll need to scroll down towards the bottom. You'll find an option that says Delete Project. This is the button that initiates the deletion process, but don't worry, it won't delete anything just yet. Click on Delete Project to move on to the next step. To ensure that you don't accidentally delete a project, Supabase requires you to confirm the deletion by typing the project name. This step acts as a safeguard, ensuring that you're absolutely sure about deleting the project. Go ahead and type the exact name of your project into the provided field. Double-check that the name is correct before proceeding to prevent any accidental deletions. With the project name confirmed, the final step is to click on the button that says, I understand, delete this project. By clicking this, you are acknowledging that you understand the implications of deleting the project, which include the permanent loss of all data associated with it. Once you click this button, your project will be deleted, and there's no going back, so make sure this is what you want to do. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Supabase project. Remember, deleting a project is permanent, so always be certain before you proceed with these steps. If you have any other projects you're considering removing, you can follow these same steps for each one. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you were able to follow along without any issues. If you have any questions or run into any problems, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.